Got a .pub file and a Mac. Publisher was never made for Mac. Not once. Not in 35 years. macOS has no way to open it. So this isn't a new problem for Mac users. You've been locked out since 1991. What changes in October 2026 is your escape hatch. The Windows colleague who opened them for you. After the deadline, they lose publisher too. So fix it now. Option 1, and the best, convert on Windows first. A PDF or docx opens on any Mac, natively. Got a Windows machine with publisher? Export there. No publisher, Univik pub converter doesn't need it. Batch the whole archive, then move it to your Mac. Option 2, run Windows inside your Mac. Parallels or VMware Fusion both work on Apple Silicon. That gives you real publisher access. But one catch, if it's a 365 subscription. It still dies on the VM after the deadline. Option 3, LibreOffice Draw, free on Mac. It opens some .pub files directly. But its support is reverse-engineered and partial. Complex layouts often break or come out wrong. Worth a try for simple files, always verify. On a mixed Mac and Windows team. Audit your shared drives for .pub files now. Convert the active ones while a colleague still has publisher. Swap them in, so Mac users get instant access. Then archive the originals, don't delete. Making new designs on Mac instead. Canva runs in your browser, free to start. Affinity Publisher 2 is the pro pick, a one-time buy. One warning, it is not Microsoft Publisher. Same name, totally different app. It won't open .pub. And Apple Pages handles the simple stuff free. The Mac lockout is old news. The deadline just removes your last easy way out. Convert now, while a Windows publisher still exists. Follow Univik, where technology meets trust.